In a tragic turn of events, Rex Kanyike Masai was fatally shot during the evening protests in Nairobi's Central Business District, CBD. The demonstrations, primarily led by Gen Z and millennials, were in opposition to the proposed finance bill by President Ruto's government. Protests erupted in major towns across Kenya and persisted throughout the day. In Nairobi, they continued into the night, intensifying as the National Assembly voted on the contentious finance bill. Despite the initially peaceful nature of the protests, police deployed tear gas and water cannons to disperse the demonstrators. The situation took a darker turn when police reportedly began using live bullets in the evening, resulting in the fatal shooting of Rex Kanyike Masai. According to witnesses, Rex was injured and bleeding on the streets. His friend pleaded with the police to assist him, but their calls for help went unanswered. It was a concerned passerby, along with Rex's friend, who rushed him to a nearby hospital where he was declared dead upon arrival. The Inspector General of Police issued a statement regarding the ongoing demonstrations, asserting that the police service is committed to maintaining law and order, protecting life and property, and ensuring that no government buildings, including Parliament, would be occupied by protesters. Rex's death has sent shockwaves through the community, raising questions about the use of excessive force by the police during what began as a peaceful protest. His untimely death highlights the escalating tensions between the youth and the government over the proposed finance bill. As the nation grapples with this incident, there is a growing demand for accountability and a call for a thorough investigation into the circumstances that led to the use of live ammunition on unarmed protesters. The tragic loss of Rex Kanyike Masai underscores the urgent need for dialogue and resolution to address the grievances of the protesting youth and ensure such a devastating event does not happen again.